Hi, I'm Bartosz from Cyrus. In this video I will show you how you can improve the performance of your Cyrus Power amplifiers with an external power supply, the PSX-R2. At the time of making this video, Cyrus offers one power amplifier which is PSX-R2 compatible, the X-Power. There are also a number of compatible legacy products. To check if your product is compatible, have a look at the back panel. If you find a PSX-R socket, it is PSX-R2 compatible. On the power amplifiers, the PSX-R2 may work in two ways. First, in some of our legacy power amplifiers, it takes over the main job, powering the power amp section. This gives those amplifiers a much higher continuous current capacity and enables them to follow the dynamics of the music more easily without maxing out when high current peaks are required. Overall, this results in the amp having much better control of the dynamics of the music. On the X-Power, however, PSX-R2 works in a different way. In this configuration, fully regulated power supply circuits of the PSX-R2 take over from unregulated power supply circuits of the X-Power. This helps greatly reduce noise coming from the mains. In both cases, the internal transformer will take care of housekeeping. When you give a power amplifier more current capacity, it delivers the extreme dynamics of the music without pushing so far into the extremes of its capability. The result is a more sure-footed and controlled presentation, able to resolve more emotional detail without straining at the leash. Alternatively, when the PSX-R2 replaces unregulated power supply circuits of the X-Power, this results in a much cleaner presentation. With a better defined soundstage, all instruments will sound more convincing. But don't take my word for it. Contact your local Cyrus representative and have a listen for yourself. In our YouTube channel, you will also find a general video explaining the idea behind the PSX-R2. Thanks for watching.